Chris Vaughn, and this is CRYS Kitchen. I'm just a home cook who loves cooking up simple, delish meals for my family and friends. And after years of hearing, where'd you get that recipe? I need to know how to cook that. Can you send me the instructions on that? I finally decided to bring it to the masses here on the internet. Just after a little bit on Instagram and TikTok, I kept getting, do you have a YouTube channel? So I figured I need a YouTube channel. Here in CRYS Kitchen, you'll receive step-by-step how-tos on making some of my favorite Southern comfort classics, my take on Asian cuisine, Tex-Mex because your girl's from Texas, sweet treats, and of course we have to keep it figure friendly, so I'll have a little bit of that too. If this sounds like something that you definitely don't want to miss out on, please make sure to subscribe and turn that notification button on so you don't miss one single thing I'm cooking up every single week here in CRYS Kitchen. I'll see you in the kitchen.